I've got a Husqvarna 372XP here that I just repaired. What was wrong with it is the impulse line that goes from the carburetor to the crankcase. As you can see, it's got a little crack here. And what that was doing is it was intermittently losing air, and the saw went idle right. It was always running like it was running out of gas, just running really lean and not idling properly. Anyways, I replaced it with a piece of Tygon, and as you can see, it goes all the way down to the crankcase. It's this line right here. So it goes through a little grommet there, and you want to make sure that it's really tight on the connectors. So I did that. It runs good. I'll just give it a start so you can see her running, and that's about it.